guys, Pez here from the future. I just wanted to apologise in advance. Some of the intro and a couple of the clips are refocusing on the camera and they're a bit blurry, so it'll be like blurry, not blurry, not. I apologise in advance, just only noticed going through editing. I'm currently at the car wash washing the sump. I just thought I'd add this in at the start of the video to apologise in advance. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And welcome back to another episode. This week we're working on the Bunnings turboed Falcon. Now, a little bit of a recap. What happened with this Falcon? Well, we put a Bunnings turbo on it, we took it to the racetrack and we blew it up. So to solve that, we've got a second turbo. Roll the thing.
Let's party.
Here is our twin turbo setup. So I made this up off camera. This is simply just some steam pipe I've fabbed up. I'll get these turbos off here in 1 second just to show you guys the full manifold. However, this is what we're going to be running and hopefully deep into the 9s. Who knows, this may even run an 8. I'll quickly get these turbos off and we'll talk a little bit more about what I've done here. So here is our new setup. So what we've got here is we've actually just got two identical turbos. So the turbo we ran it on last time and a new little friend. Now the reason for this is actually not to go faster, although I know we will. One turbo is about a 2-litre turbo, so that's 2 litres, that's 2 litres. This is conveniently a 4 litre. So for one turbo before to make any kind of wind, it was just so hot. And because we ran no intercooler, like just to be different, it just had a meltdown and I hated it. So what we're gonna do is now we'll run 2. I'm undecided whether we're gonna run an intercooler yet or water meth injection, but this is going to be our manifold to do it. So this is all custom made in-house. I literally just got to run up with the MIG and sense it. A quick little history lesson on the Barra. The Barra came out in 4 different variants. So that is FPV, red top, silver top or LPI, so petrol, and a gassy. Now the FPV is obviously the blue top. That is from the factory racing one, and we'll get to all of this in a second. The red top is your factory turbo Barra. That's just a factory turbo with some upgrades. We've got a silver top. These were designed for just unleaded petrol, your everyday regular cars, and the green top. So in Australia, we actually manufactured and designed these to go into taxis. So some sneaky bugger found out along the way that the green top has stronger rods in it. Now, why does it have stronger rods? To prevent LPG backfires. So suddenly you've got the cheapest of the cheap down here with almost equivalent turbo rods. That's pretty impressive. Let me give you guys a little bit of a secret. Over here in the blue column, they nerfed them a little bit. So these things actually could have been way better. So I'm talking about making 500 kilowatts off a gassy. These blue ones over here, or even the red tops, these can make an absolute powerhouse when done correctly. You don't even need to do all that much. They just put more boost in them. All they did from the factory was nerf them so the V8s made more power as the top of the line version, but the Australian designed and built engine, I tell you what, now the world's starting to see why these things are the best thing since sliced bread. It's all good and well for us to add a second turbo and muck around, but the engine's still actually blown up. A few of you may have seen in previous videos, we do have a brand new to us engine here for it, and we're going to talk about that engine in just a second and what makes these engines just so popular. Right, and here is our engine here, the infamous green top, the infamous gassy. Now we're gonna go a little bit in depth right now and explain the differences between the engines and the silver top that we're pulling out and the green top right here that's going in. And this isn't even a stock engine. Well, I'm pretty sure you've had enough of me talking about the history of the Barra and custom manifolds. It's now time to get this old clanker out of here. The old mock-up motor is now ready for the bin, and we can get our gassy in here. So I think it's time for a little bit of a montage, and this engine needs to come out so we can get our nice, shiny new gassy in this home. Well, that's pretty much going to sum up today's episode. So we've since got the silver top out. A couple of other things to note is there is differences between BF and BA. So this is a BF gassy, which I'm told once again is stronger. I'm sure you guys in the comment section below will actually roast me for that, but hopefully I'm correct, because we're looking to make this thing as reliable as possible and actually make that 500 kilowatt number. I believe. Do you guys at home believe? I bet you do. Smash that subscribe button if you want to see more. Thank you very much for watching. Tell your mum to subscribe. I know she's been watching. I'm off to go and clean this up and get some gaskets, and we'll see you in a future episode when this brand new second-hand gassy's going in that car, ready to make some noise, ready to make some twin turbo action. I'm excited.